Okay, we're going a little bit more detail now. I'm going to make a paper crane. So we're going to take our square piece of paper and we're going to start off by folding it in half. I'm going to make those creases nice and sharp. Make sure you line all the paper up, make it easier so everything goes into place later on. Okay, so we're going to fold one side into the middle, like so. Then we're going to flip it over and fold the other side into the middle. So we've got this triangle. Now what we're going to do is open it up from the inside and squash it flat. There we go, so we've got our square / diamond shape. Just push down on those creases, make them nice and sharp. Okay, so we've got our diamond shape. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold these sections up at a diagonal. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side, bringing these points in so that they're on the diagonal and matches the other side. And what you're going to see is you've made a little bit of a kite shape. Get those creases in. There we go. Got those flaps there. So now we're just going to fold that bottom point across like that and back again. I'm going to flip over and do it on the other side just so that that crease is nice and solid. There we go. And then we're going to fold the big point up to the top. So we're going to open this out. You'll see that just easily creases where you've made that crease on the top of the kite shape. Be careful that you don't tear the paper on this bit, just squeeze it out. That's it. And then just make your creases along that point there. So you've got a nice big diamond shape now. There we go. And then we're just going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Open this out and take this point up. So you get your nail right into those creases and just make sure they all pop out. That's it. So what we're going to do now, you see the side that we've been doing, that's the open side. We're just going to fold this open. So that we're working on this side. And you'll see the paper there's got a little split down the side of it. Sorry, down the middle of it. I'm just going to crease along there. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to bring one side up, this is the side that's all one solid piece, up to the bit with the gap, and fold across here. That's going to be our wing. Let's just fold the other side up again, as well on the other side. Perfect. So now we've got this triangle shape. What we're going to do is we're going to take the little flaps that are inside and we're going to pull it down. Okay, you see that just pop out, and when we've got it just at about that angle, we're going to crease that so it stays in place. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So that's it, we're just going to pull it gently down. No need to force it, it'll come across because of the lines. There we go, just squeeze that. So we've got these points up here. So this side's going to be our tail, this side's going to be our beak. So to make the beak, all we're going to do is going to make a little pop. It's going to fold it out and fold it down so that that point now points downwards on our bird. That's our beak. You can start to see it taking shape now. So now what we need to do is make these wings come out a little bit. So what you need to do is to gently bend across the wing. Now I do this by dragging my nail up and down, down the wing, and it will start to bend. You do it gently so you don't tear the paper, but you can see it just starts to loop out there. You can wrap it around your finger if you like to make it a little bit more of a curve. Then use it on the edges. You can see that pop out. And we're going to try on the other side as well. Just going to give it a little bit of a bend. This gives us our elegant paper crane shape. And what you can also do is if you put your fingers on the edges here and pull, you can make the wings flap. And there we have it. That is our basic paper crane.